Welcome to Bubbly Bookland. I'm quite hungry. My, that was delicious. Hello everyone, my name is May. Have you ever wondered how your body handles your food when you eat? Here, let me show you guys. Your brain can detect food when you smell it. I mean, look at this hot cocoa here. Isn't it delicious? Your brain then sends signals to your mouth to produce something called saliva. Saliva contains enzymes which helps to break down the food that you eat, just like this apple. Your teeth help to grind up the food that you eat so that it becomes mushy. Your tongue contains something called taste buds. They help you to taste, of course. Swallowing food means that you bite into the food and then the tongue helps to push it down. To your esophagus. Your esophagus contains muscles. The muscles in your esophagus push the food down to your stomach. When it goes down to your stomach, then the liver, gallbladder, and pancreas create some enzymes which they mix into the acid in order to grind up the food. Some muscles that work slightly like doors keep the acid and food from getting out of the stomach. The liver, gallbladder, and pancreas produce enzymes that help break down the food being digested in your stomach. Then it moves to your small intestine and large intestine. After the stomach is done digesting, the food travels to a small intestine to get even more digested. This is where most of the digestion takes place. After the small intestine is done digesting, it moves the food into the large intestine. The large intestine contains good bacteria that helps to break down the food. The large intestine produces a liquid that absorbs the vitamins and minerals of the food. These are the vitamins that help us keep healthy. And then the poop drops out whenever you poop. Fun fact! Did you know that the good bacteria inside of your large intestine is what causes us to fart? Bye everyone! I hope you learned something.